Hey everyone, it's Investment IQ Insights. And in this video, we're diving deep into the world of investing to uncover 7 stocks that we believe have the potential to soar over the next decade and could make you seriously wealthy during the process. This is about making smart, strategic investments in companies that are poised for long-term growth and dominance. Now, before we jump in, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos about building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Remember, this is not financial advice and we're not financial advisors, but we're investors like you. Investing involves risks. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Make sure you understand the risks before investing and consult with a qualified professional before making any investment decisions. First up, we have Tesla, the undisputed king of electric vehicles. I mean, just look at the Model S Plaid. It can go from 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. But Tesla is more than just fast cars. They're leading the charge in battery technology, autonomous driving, and even renewable energy with their solar panels and Powerwall. Tesla is disrupting the entire automotive industry, and they're just getting started. They're building mega factories all over the world to meet the skyrocketing demand for their vehicles, and their energy storage solutions are becoming increasingly popular for both residential and commercial use. Now, Tesla's stock has been on a wild ride over the past few years, but we believe this volatility is just part of being on the cutting edge of innovation. As Tesla continues to ramp up production, expand into new markets, and develop groundbreaking technologies, we have no doubt that they'll continue to reward long-term investors. Think about it. A few years ago, electric cars were considered a niche market. Now, every major automaker is scrambling to catch up to Tesla. Investing in Tesla is not just about buying a stock. It's about investing in the future of transportation and clean energy. It's about being a part of a company that's changing the world. Next up, we have Amazon, the undisputed king of e-commerce. I mean, who hasn't ordered something from Amazon in the past week? They've completely revolutionized the way we shop, and they're showing no signs of slowing down. But Amazon is more than just an online store. They're a technology powerhouse with their cloud computing platform, Amazon Web Services, or AWS for short. AWS is the backbone of the internet, powering countless websites and applications that we use every single day. And let's not forget about their Prime membership program, which has become almost essential for millions of people worldwide. Amazon's ability to innovate and expand into new markets is truly remarkable. They've gone from selling books online to offering everything from groceries to streaming services, and with their recent forays into healthcare and grocery delivery, they're showing no signs of slowing down. Investing in Amazon is like investing in the future of convenience, technology, and, well, everything. They're a company that's constantly pushing the boundaries and finding new ways to dominate. Now let's talk about Alphabet, the parent company of Google. Google is the undisputed king of search, and their advertising platform is an absolute money-making machine. But Alphabet is more than just Google. They're investing heavily in artificial intelligence, self-driving cars with Waymo, and even life extension technologies with Calico. Alphabet's diverse portfolio of businesses gives them a huge advantage. They're not reliant on any one particular market or technology, which makes them incredibly resilient. And with their massive cash reserves and their relentless focus on innovation, Alphabet is well positioned to dominate the tech landscape for years to come. Investing in Alphabet is like investing in the future of the internet, artificial intelligence, and maybe even immortality. They're a company that's constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Next up, we have Nvidia, the absolute powerhouse of graphics processing units, or GPUs. Now you might be thinking, GPUs aren't those just for gaming? And while it's true that Nvidia's GPUs power some of the most popular video games in the world, their applications go far beyond just gaming. We're talking artificial intelligence, data centers, self-driving cars, you name it. Nvidia's GPUs are designed for high-performance computing, and they're becoming increasingly essential for any industry that relies on massive amounts of data. Nvidia's growth over the past few years has been nothing short of phenomenal, and their future looks even brighter. As the demand for AI and other data-intensive technologies continues to explode, Nvidia is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this trend. Investing in Nvidia is like investing in the brains behind the future of technology. They're the ones making the impossible possible, and we have no doubt that they'll continue to deliver incredible returns for their investors. Now let's talk about Apple, the tech giant that needs no introduction. They've been a dominant force in the tech industry for decades, and their products, from the iPhone to the Mac, have become ubiquitous. But Apple is more than just hardware. They've built an incredibly sticky ecosystem with their software and services. From Apple Music to the App Store, Apple's brand loyalty is legendary. This brand loyalty, combined with their relentless innovation and their massive cash reserves, makes Apple a formidable force in the tech industry. Let's be honest, Apple is a money-making machine. Their products are highly coveted, their services are deeply integrated into our lives, and their brand is synonymous with quality and innovation. Investing in Apple is like investing in a piece of the future of technology and design. Next up, we have Microsoft, a company that's been a mainstay in the tech industry for decades. They've successfully transitioned from their roots in personal computing to become a dominant force in cloud computing with their Azure platform. Azure is now one of the leading cloud platforms in the world, competing head-to-head with Amazon Web Services. But Microsoft is more than just cloud computing. They're still a major player in personal computing with their Windows operating system and their Surface line of devices. And let's not forget about their gaming division, which is home to the Xbox console and a growing portfolio of popular video game franchises. Microsoft's ability to adapt and evolve is truly impressive. Their diverse portfolio of businesses and their relentless focus on innovation make them a solid, long-term investment. Let's be real, Microsoft is everywhere. Their software powers countless businesses and individuals around the world, and their cloud platform is becoming increasingly essential for companies of all sizes. Investing in Microsoft is like investing in the backbone of the tech industry. Last but not least, we have Shopify, a company that's empowering entrepreneurs and small businesses to thrive in the world of e-commerce. Shopify provides a platform for businesses of all sizes to create their own online stores, manage their inventory, process payments, and more. They've become an essential tool for anyone looking to sell products online, and their growth has been nothing short of phenomenal. Shopify's user-friendly platform, their extensive app store, and their focus on empowering entrepreneurs make them a compelling investment. They're tapping into the massive and growing trend of e-commerce, and their platform is making it easier than ever for businesses to get online and start selling. Investing in Shopify is like investing in the future of small business and the democratization of commerce. They're making it possible for anyone with an idea to start their own online store and reach a global audience. So, there you have it. What Investment IQ Insights believes are 7 stocks set to soar over the next decade with the potential to make you seriously wealthy. Remember, it's crucial to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also interested in building wealth. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos on investing, personal finance, and achieving financial freedom. Just click on one of the videos on the screen now to keep learning and growing your wealth.